Majina mimi naitwa Richard Nsongo na mi pia nawania kiti cha MCA 2027 na support Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, na yeye ndio tunasukuma 2027 as the president. Hii hata si tafadhali. He is coming in and there is no any other option. The next president, the sixth president anaingia ni Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. The reason being that ndio the only person who's going to bring back sanity in government, and he's the only person who is going to get Kenya to restore Kenya back to prosperity. Otherwise, you can see how the institutions are failing, and the only person who can build this institution is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And as things stands, even before we go to elections, we are going to make sure that I know he has plans to make sure that the IEBC, before we go to election, has been fully institutionalized in a position that there will be no reckless rigging of elections na mambo ingine, those monkey business that this regime is used to. Otherwise, we expect him to win, and we expect him to be sworn in come 2027.